Okay, whenever I have more than one variable, they will always tell me what variable I'm trying to get by itself. So I usually circle that so that I can see what I'm doing. So let me do that. So in this one, I'm solving for b, so I've got to get rid of everything else. Now, whether it has a variable or not, everything that's not with that b has to go. Okay, I need it by itself. So my first step is to get rid of a positive 3c. So you're always doing opposites. The opposite of positive 3c, excuse me, is negative 3c. I'm going to put a negative 3c on both sides. So then I have 2b, and remember I'm solving for the b. Opposites cancel equals a minus 3c. All you can do is write that down. You can't do anything with it. Okay? Now this is 2 times b, so the opposite of times is divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Top cancels with bottom, and now look, b is by itself. Even though it looks totally strange, this is the answer. Okay? So on the next one, I'm solving for x. So I have to get rid of anything with that on the same side. So I've got to get rid of a negative 9y. The opposite of negative 9y is positive 9y. So I'm going to add 9y to both sides. So I'm going to get z plus 9y. You can't put them together. All you can do is write them down. Equals 5x. Opposites cancel. Now remember, you're trying to get the x by itself. So this is 5 times x. So the opposite of times is divide. So divide both sides by 5. So this, there's no simplifying it. All you can do is just write it down. Equals, top cancels with bottom. Now x is by itself. So that's the answer. This next one, we are solving for x. So I have to add 9y to both sides. That's the first step. Get rid of that. So 5x, opposites cancel, equals z plus 9y. Is that the same problem? I'm sorry, it looks very similar to the last one. Nope, a plus and a minus is the only difference. Okay, so divide both sides by 5. Top cancels with bottom. X equals z plus 9y over 5. I think the only difference was the variable on the other side. Okay, so that's how you do those.